Yep, Yakima. Yakima Valley, Yakima County. There is a fire somewhere. Probably Terrace Heights or Moxie. Probably Sarge Herbert Park or the other park near Terrace Heights. In Terrace Heights or Moxie. Because somebody couldn't wait for this evening. Or somebody couldn't wait to go to the fairgrounds and watch the fireworks like a decent person. They had to start playing with fireworks early today. This fire started sometime before 1 o'clock this afternoon. And I don't know if it's still going, but there's the smoke. And yeah, it does smell like fire here in my house. I'm on Castleville Road, for those that feel offended that I'm even videoing this. Y'all have a nice day. Have a nice, safe 4th of July.